This is how you clean the mass airflow sensor on a Nissan Maxima. They have a 2012 model, but I'm sure they're fairly similar. So if you have a kind of a rough idle when you're not driving, it's the mass airflow sensor. You just get a thing of sensor clean. Sorry, I'm doing this at nighttime. And anyways, a mass airflow sensor is on the back of the box where the air filter is. You can unplug this here. You might be able to unscrew it and remove it, but I ended up stripping the screw. They're on pretty tight from the factory. Maybe there's some kind of a thread lock or something on that. So instead, you can just open it up here. Like you just take these two clips off, and there's the sensor right there. And inside that little channel in that hole is where you need to spray the sensor cleaner. I unplugged it just so there's no risk of short circuiting or anything. There you go. Got the little straw on here. Just gotta aim it there and squirt away. Yeah, it's kind of like hose this down. Yeah, then while you're here, you might as well just replace the filter because you probably stained it anyways, and good to go. Oh, I wish I took a video of it before I cleaned it. My rough idle used to go up and down like 500 or so RPM. Like it would just go like a little above one and back down and keep on oscillating like that. And since cleaning the mass airflow sensor, it stays nice and sharp. I wish it would focus. Yeah, and before, it doesn't matter if it was park, neutral, drive. If I was at a stop, it would constantly be revving up and down, up and down, up and down. So if you have that problem, just clean your mass airflow sensor. It's not a big deal. It's pretty easy, pretty cheap, pretty quick. Have a good day.